now.
Okay, so we're going to talk about percent of a number again. Percent of a number is where you can take the percent, change it to a decimal, because when you divide by 100, you move the decimal twice to the left. Of means multiply. It works on percent of a number when they're set up like this. That means you don't know the is. You don't know the is. You know the percent and you know the total. I'm going to multiply, and I get 6. I'm going to put my 2 decimal places in here, and my answer is 6. That is a shorter way, but this way always works. Cross products always works. 15 times 40, divide by 100. In this case, we divided by 100 first, and multiply by 40. Comes out the same way. I want to show you a little chart that I really like that I think will help you understand percent of a number. This is about percent of a number too. If we have the number 80, you have all of it, you have 80. If you have none of it, you have 0. So we can start right here. 80, I want 10% of it. So it would be 80 times 0.10, which comes out to 8. 20% would be doubling it. 30% would be tripling the 10%, times 4, 32. And then if I just look at half of it, I could go 5 times 8, or I could just say, you know, I think I know what half of 80 is. Half of 80 is 40. What about 6 times 8? 48. Do you see a pattern here? 8, 16, 24, 32. When you are dividing it into chunks of 10% at a time, 1/10 at a time. 7 times 8 would be 56. That's a number some of y'all don't know. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 8 is 72. And then there's a gap here of 8. So the difference each time is 8. And this is just to help you understand your numbers and be able to estimate with it and calculate 10%. When I can tell you 10%, I can multiply it by any number of percent, that 10% number, and figure it out. Another thing I'd like to show you is if you take, like if you wanted the 45%, 45% isn't on here. So half of the 10%, 5% would be 4. You see where I got that? Halving 10%. So I could do 32 plus 4, and I would get 36, and that would put me halfway between 40 and 50. Halfway between 32 and 40 is 36. Just some little number sense to help you along the way.